In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up form submissions on your Webflow site to ensure you receive notifications when someone fills out a form. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Webflow. If you haven't already, make sure you have a submission form integrated into your website. This is a crucial step because it's the medium through which your audience can reach out or send information to you. Once you've confirmed this, let's head back over to our Webflow dashboard. Keep in mind, loading times can vary, so take a breath and wait patiently as everything gets set up. Upon completion of that, navigate to your website. Now, let's locate and click on the Site Settings option. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to control and customize different aspects of your site. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen and click on Forms. Here, you'll discover all the settings related to the forms present on your Webflow site. It's important to personalize some settings to align with your preferences and requirements. You'll start with the Sender Name field. This is where you can enter the name that will be displayed on the form, presenting a professional and clear identity for your form submissions. Following that, there's an option labeled Send Form Submissions. This section is particularly important because you'll input the email address where you want to receive all submissions from this specific site. Make sure it's an email you check regularly to avoid missing any important messages. Another vital setting is the subject line. You're encouraged to modify this according to what is most relevant to your needs. It helps organize submissions as they come in and ensures they grab your attention quickly. There are also options for specifying a reply to address and customizing the email template. These allow further personalization and facilitate effective communication between you and your audience. Once you've made all necessary changes and you're satisfied with them, ensure to save everything before exiting. This step is essential because it will enable you to receive email notifications each time someone submits a form on your Webflow site. Keeping track of these notifications will help you manage interactions efficiently, and there you have it, a straightforward method to manage and optimize form submissions on Webflow, ensuring you never miss out on crucial audience interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful for enhancing your website's functionality.